Welcome to the interesting world of idioms. Idioms are popular expressions in English, but the tricky thing about them is the words don't have a literal meaning. They are groups of words that don't make sense when you say or hear them unless you know the meaning behind them. For example, let's take the idiom, "It's raining cats and dogs." If you think of the literal meaning, it suggests that cats and dogs are falling out of the sky like rain. Of course, that's not the case. The idiom, "It's raining cats and dogs," means it's raining very hard. So, by just saying or hearing the words without knowing the meaning, you'll have no idea what's being said. Idioms are used often in conversation, so it's important that you know their meaning. Or you could find yourself in a conversation and not really understand what it's about. A blessing in disguise. A good thing that first appears as a bad thing. Losing his job turned out to be a blessing in disguise. After Adam lost his job, he found a much better job. Meaning, losing his job made his life better. Jenny was so upset when her boyfriend broke up with her. But a month later, she met her soulmate and she's the happiest she's ever been. So her breakup was a blessing in disguise. Meaning, her boyfriend breaking up with her enabled her to find a much better relationship. Give the benefit of the doubt. When you don't know the truth about something, and you choose to believe the good about the situation instead of believing the bad. I told my neighbor it wasn't me who broke her window. Thankfully, she gave me the benefit of the doubt. Meaning, it was great that she believed what I told her. My boss gave me the benefit of the doubt when I told him that I didn't share the secret information with anyone. Meaning, he believed what I told him. Jog your memory. To be able to remember something. When I couldn't remember my old classmate's name, seeing her picture jogged my memory. Meaning, when I saw her picture, it enabled me to remember her name. Mark couldn't remember the lyrics to the song, but after hearing the melody, it jogged his memory. Meaning, hearing the music enabled him to remember the song. Foot the bill. To pay the bill. John agreed to foot the bill for the party. Meaning, he paid for the party. My boyfriend told me to book a vacation for us and he would fit the bill. Meaning, he would pay for the vacation. Have it in for. To be very angry at someone and possibly want to get revenge. I don't want to go near Kelly. I heard she has it in for me because she thinks I tried to steal her boyfriend from her. Meaning, she's angry and might start a fight. I'm trying to avoid my boss because he really has it in for me for making a mistake during the presentation. Meaning, he's angry about my mistake and I might get in big trouble. Get or catch wind of. To find out about something or learn news about something. He got wind that I was going to break up with Steve and he asked me to go out on a date with him. Meaning, he found out we broke up and he asked me out. My boss got wind of the rumors going around the office and he called everyone into a meeting. Meaning, he heard the rumors. A rule of thumb. A personal principle. As a rule of thumb, I only eat in clean restaurants. Meaning, I will never eat in a dirty restaurant. As a rule of thumb, I don't totally trust people that I don't know well. Meaning, it is my practice to only trust those that I know. Be on the same wavelength. To think in a similar way as others. My husband and I get along well because we're always on the same wavelength, meaning we get along because we think the same way about things. The office workers were on the same wavelength, so they were able to finish the job very quickly, meaning since they think alike, they get things done quickly. Up to speed. To be updated, not to be behind. To have all the current information. I was sick and missed a week of work, but Janet got me up to speed on the project, meaning she gave me all the current information about the project. When I got back from my long vacation, it took me some time to get up to speed on my work assignments, meaning it took me time to catch up on my work. Play devil's advocate. To argue against someone just so you can hear your opponent's reasoning. John always plays devil's advocate when we have a discussion, meaning he gives the opposing view. She's against abortion, but she played devil's advocate and told us she was for it, meaning she told us she was for it, but she was really against it. Cross your mind. To think about something or consider something. It never crossed my mind that he might have a mental problem, meaning I never even thought about that. I would have been happy to come early to help you if you needed me, but that didn't even cross my mind, meaning I didn't even think that you might have needed help earlier. Road rage. Extreme anger while driving. I don't like being in a car with someone who can't control their road rage, meaning they can't control their anger while driving. Road rage can lead to a serious confrontation, meaning a lot of anger while driving can cause dangerous driving conditions. Go on about. To speak for too long about something. The old man went on about his childhood for over an hour, meaning he talked about it for too long. Sarah went on about her problems for so long that no one wanted to listen to her anymore, meaning she talked about her problems for too long and no one was interested in hearing it. Slip your mind. You forgot to do something. I was going to return the library books today, but it totally slipped my mind, meaning I forgot to return the books. I'm sorry I missed my appointment, but it totally slipped my mind, meaning I missed my appointment because I forgot about it. Throw a fit. To get angry and begin acting very inappropriately or immaturely. The little boy threw a fit when his mom wouldn't buy him the toy he wanted, meaning he got very upset and started yelling. My friend threw a fit when someone hit his car, meaning he started screaming at the person and getting in his face. The ball is in your court. You have control of the situation. We have to wait for the judge's decision. The ball's in his court, meaning the decision is up to the judge. I told my boyfriend that he has a choice. He can either start treating me better or find a new girlfriend. The ball's in his court, meaning whether our relationship will continue or not is up to him. Make your day. Something that made your day special or great. When Jenny found a $100 bill on the ground, it really made her day, meaning it made her very happy. I got a promotion at work and it really made my day, meaning getting the promotion really made me very happy. A ripoff. To get overcharged for something or you get cheated out of money. I went to the gourmet cafe and they ripped me off when they charged me $7 for a cup of coffee. Meaning, they charged me too much for the coffee. I went to a new car mechanic, and he ripped me off when he charged me for a new filter that I didn't need. Meaning, he overcharged me because I didn't need the filter. Get a kick out of something. To get enjoyment from something. I get a kick out of science fiction movies. Meaning, I enjoy watching that type of movie. I really got a kick out of the children's comedy skit. Meaning, I enjoyed their comedy skit and found it entertaining. Catch someone's eye. To grab your attention and make you look at someone or something. That guy was so cute, he really caught my eye. Meaning, I couldn't avoid looking at him because he was so cute. The colorful advertisement really caught my eye. Meaning, it was so bright that I noticed it right away. Give it your all. You tried your hardest. You gave your best effort. Even though I lost the race, I gave it my all. Meaning, I lost, but I tried the hardest I could. If you would have given it your all, you might have had a chance to win the competition. Meaning, if you gave it your best effort, maybe you would have won. Firsthand. You experienced something personally. It's not a rumor, I heard it firsthand. Meaning, someone told me the news personally. I saw the train wreck firsthand. Meaning, I was there when the train accident happened and I saw it with my own eyes. A dead end. A place with only an end, or not having a good opportunity or chance for advancement. Don't take the path on the left trail. It's a dead end. Meaning, the path doesn't lead anywhere. Ron has a dead-end job. Meaning, there is no chance for Ron to get a promotion or an advancement in his job. Time flies. Time passes very quickly. Time really flies when you're having fun. Meaning, time passes quickly when you're enjoying yourself. Time flies when we're together because I always enjoy myself when I'm with you. Meaning, when you're having fun, the time passes quickly. Have something on your mind. To be thinking about something. Janet had a lot on her mind and she forgot her phone at home. Meaning, she was thinking about so many things and she forgot her phone. I have so much on my mind that I can't concentrate on my work. Meaning, I'm thinking about a lot of things and it's affecting my ability to concentrate. Keep track. To make sure you know what is happening or has happened to someone or something. He's always so busy I can't even keep track of him. Meaning, it's difficult to keep up to date with what he's doing. I use my watch to keep track of time. Meaning, to know what time it is, I look at my watch. From scratch. To make something without any prepared materials. If you make a cake from scratch, all you need is flour, eggs, sugar, and baking soda. Meaning, those are the ingredients you need to make something homemade without any prepared ingredients. I like cooking healthy, so I always make dinner from scratch. Meaning, I don't use any prepared ingredients. Speak your mind. To say what you honestly feel. Charlie was afraid to speak his mind in front of the other children. Meaning, he was afraid to say what he really felt. Jenny always speaks her mind and doesn't care what others think about what she says. Meaning, she says what she really believes and doesn't care whether other people agree with her or not. Just my luck. The expression you use when something unlucky happens to you. It implies that unlucky things happen to you. Getting a flat tire while I was on my way to an important meeting was just my luck. Meaning, it wasn't lucky to get a flat tire when I had to be at an important meeting. It's just my luck that it rained during my vacation. Meaning, it was not lucky to have bad weather while I was on vacation. It ruined my trip. Run of the mill. Something typical, nothing special. The Cozy Corner is just a run-of-the-mill bar. Meaning, it's a typical bar, nothing special. I had a run-of-the-mill week. Meaning, it was a usual week for me. Nothing special happened.